Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be going to show you guys how to create a share folder for your department. Like in your department you have like multiple people in one, like a specific people to have access to this share folder. Then what you need to do, go to the Google, then type Google Drive. When Google Drive come up over here, just log in with your credential. Then here on the left top corner, click on the new folder. Then here pick a name. I'm give a name like a department. So this is our folder name which we're going to create. So here you go, your folder is created. Then what you need to do, come here to the folder, double click, then go to the drop down here. Here you will see share, then click on the share. Then here you can add those people in your department who you want them to have access to this share folder, upload the document, and everyone can review it. Or you can go here to the restricted, click on that, go to the anyone with the link, click on here, then copy this link and send it to those people who you want to have access to this folder. Please, if you like the video, like and subscribe.